now I'm going you about and I'm going to explain you about the lab 3 task. The first activity we are provided and that we have to write a program for ATmega 328p or ATmega 22560. We can use either of them to interface two 7 segments and make a counter from 0 to 99 with any delay. So basically we have to make a 7 segment display. We have to write a program on ATmega, and we have also run the simulation. So first of all, I will show you the program which I have written in ATmega. So first of all, in LDI, in the R16 register, I have stored 255 in the form of the hex, which is 0 cross FF. Then I have taken the output from the port B. Now let's start. And I have basically given the port B as a 7. Then I have called the delay. Then similarly, I have given the port B as a 6, and I have called the delay. And I have called the delay up to 1. And then after the 0 has appeared over here, then I will highlight this for you. So and then again I have called the delay, and now I'm using the first of I have used the SBI, and now I'm using the CVI, and again I am using this, and I'm calling the delay up to 0. Sorry, from the I have started I have calling the CBI, and I'm from the 0 and up to I have called it up to 7, and now I have called the delay. After executing all this program, it will jump to start, and again it will start displaying from the 7 to 0, and then 0 to 7, and it will display until the 99 will appear on the 7 segment display, and display, and between them there will be a delay. Between there a delay, so we will store R20 in 6 R20, and I will apply the loop, and then I will decrement R22, and after R22, then after R22 I will decrement R21, and then R20, and then after doing this it will return to the first code, and in which it will start again from the 7. From here it will start again from the 7, and it will and execute all the code up to the port B until it will appear 0, and then again it will start from the 0, and it will go to 7, and again this loop will executed, and there will be decrement. There will be decrement in the R22. There will be decrement in R21, and there will be decrement R22, and it will return. This always will happen until the 7 segment display will display the number from the 0 to 99. So now I will show you the its simulation. So here is simulation, and I've used the 7 segment display ATmega 328p. I've used the button here. I have used the LED here, and I have used the resistor to make circuit. Now I will run the simulation. It's all compiling, and now you can see that the LED 7 segment start displaying the number from the 0 to, it will display number from the 0 to 99, and it will show some delay. As you have seen that it will shown some delay from 0 to 2, and then it start displaying numbers, and now it have reached to a. This was our task 1, in which we have to display the numbers from 0 to 99 using ATmega 328 or ATmega 2560, to display the numbers from 0 to 99 with delay, not without delay. It will display the number with the delay, and after it will the 99 will appear on the 7th segment. It will stop, and the code will be executed, and the LED will 7 segment display will stop displaying number. Only 99 will appear on the screen. So as you can see, 99 has been appeared on the 7 segment display. Now the code has been executed. We can stop the simulation. So this was our task 1, and now coming towards the task 2, 2. In the lab 2 activity, we have to write a code to interface the hex keypad. So basically, in this we have to make a hex keypad. As you know that in hex keypad there are 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and column, it is a 16 bit, and mostly 16 cross 2 hex keypad is used commonly. So we have to use make the hex keypad. We have to write the code and with Atmega 3 using Atmega 328p Arduino, and we will grow any LED with the input from any keyboard button. So first we will go through the code. So coming towards this code, now I have stored 00 in R16. I have taken the output from the port B and the port C, and then I have stored 255 in the R16, and I have taken the port D as an output. So here the code has been started. I have taken the, making the input pin B, the input pin, and a pin C also as an input pin. Then coming toward this code, this will either show this code, and then or this one. In the R18 register, it will either show this one code or this one. If it will show this one code, then the output will be appear on the port D and will again jump towards the start. And this is all about the code. Now coming towards the hex keypad Proteus. So I will open the Proteus. As you know that this one is the Atmega 328p. This is the LED. I have used the switch buttons over here and here, and this is all, again I am using the LED. As you can see that there are four columns, 2, 4, and 4 rows, 2, 3, and 4. So if I'm giving the input to the C1, then it will appear on all the registers connected to the C1s, and this one is all, this row is also connected, this row is also connected, this row is also connected, and this one R4 row is also connected to C1. So if I will press any of the button, another one will appear on the LED, and LED will start to blink. Similar is the case with the C2, C3, and the C4. If push any button, then the one will appear on that row. The output will and the output of that row will be LED will start to glow. And now I will play the simulation, and you can easily see from the simulation that if I'm gonna play any of the, if I'm going to push any of the button, for example, I'm say that I'm pushing this button, the LED has started to blink. This means that the output has been appear one on the on that row. So if I'm going to C2 and I'm pushing the button of R3, so sorry, I have didn't stop the. So you can see that LED has started to blink. That is the case. I'm using the C3 and I'm blinking the LED of the R2. Then I will push that the button. I want to blink that LED. I will push the button, and the LED will start to glow. This means that the one has been appeared on that row. So this was all about the lab 3 task. I have made the 7 segment display first, and the second I have made the hex keypad 2 cross 16 using Atmega 32p in both of the tasks. So this was all about lab 3 task.